Hey guys, Do Tech Lifestyle here, back with another video. This one's crypto gets its equivalent to Shark Tank and Dragon's Den. You've got Shark Tank, who's over in the USA, which is for an American business reality television series that premiered in August 2009, and the British one came out in 2002. And this is a Dragon Den. Aspiring entrepreneurs have a chance to make their dreams come true. It's the same for now. Crypto has its own, and it's called HELLO TV. All right, and this is the promo video here, which I will play you. But it's official, and they are having their first season. I don't know when it's coming out. Premieres in January 2024. And let me go to their website now, and here is their website. And I'll go through a little bit about the website. About Us page. It's HELLO Labs is the future of crypto and entertainment, a Web3 native ecosystem that incubates, produces and funds and distributes original programming, games and NFT coining, and the term cryptotainment has been they want to call them, well, it's cryptotainment. Okay, we are designed to be fully realized the vast potential of Web3 and appeal to both crypto and mainstream audience. Founded by Paul, I can't say his surname, Gaslin, I think, the Grammy-nominated creative director of the MTV and VMAs, HELLO Labs seeks to onboard the next 1 billion Web3 users by creating a seamless Web2 meets Web3 experience that guides even the most basic of users to take their first step of owning a digital asset, playing Web3 games, or watching exclusive shows. They will have a token. I'm not going to promote the token. I'm not here to do that. I think that's why this is why they have the wallet egg, of course. I know. Now I'm going to go to their page, the Killer Whales, Sink or Swim crypto pitches, like what you have with Dragon's Den and Shark Tank. And I'm going to play you their promo. Hold on 1 second.
Co-produced by HELLO Labs and CoinMarketCap, Killer Whales is Web3's answer to Shark Tank, a TV show that blends the drama and intrigue of the crypto space with primetime global television. The search begins as killer crypto and NFT projects from all over the world apply at HELLO.one. The projects are then reviewed by security experts hacking, data aggregator CoinMarketCap, and the Killer Whales producers themselves, HELLO Labs. The lucky few that make the cut are then flown out to the bright lights of Hollywood to face the Killer Whale judges. The projects must withstand a no-holds-barred AMA with the whales to stand the chance of being crowned the series winner.
We don't really have any built-in utility. We're just the meme token.
I don't see this being a long-time project, so I'm out.
Has your crypto or NFT project got what it takes to swim with the killer whales? Apply now. Visit HELLO.one.
So if you're somebody who is creative, who's got a project they would like to put out there, why not go to Hello World and do that. But why I'm doing this is, one, this is really going to cement what crypto is. It's now getting its real proper television show. They're going to be looking at projects. This is another thing of why I want to be watching it, to see who invests in it, what the project is. Could it be something that is going to make a lot of money for me at some point? I don't know, but we will see. Will the project come out at a reasonable price? Will you be able to get in at like the pennies on the dollar prices? That would be interesting, won't it? I mean, this is what you want to see happen in this crypto Web3 ecosystem. We have that kind of like how can I put it? That new type of entertainment coming. It's not just entertainment, but it's about helping the world to understand that we are here now. Crypto is here, and it's not going away. It's here to stay. And I think, with all the ETFs and all the other things that are coming out within the market, it makes for great sense to go and check it out. And people will watch it. People will watch it. They'll also want to know what cryptos are now. This is potentially going to reach the 99% that are still lagging behind, or those who do know, who haven't made the choice to make a decision to get involved in crypto. They'll have a news page here as well, which I just clicked on. All these articles and who their partnerships with. BitGet is one of them. CoinMarketCap, BNB obviously involved because that's a BNB partner, but Binance partner. And these are all the panelists that are going to give clearly, and people who are investing in the system, or in this. You've got Ran here, who has his own crypto channel. In fact, most of these do probably have their own crypto channel. You got Anthony Scaramucci, who is a founder and global investor with 30 years of experience in the American industry. Those of you who don't know him, this guy's a producer. I don't know how to say it. Well, he's a producer anyway, right? Then you have Mario Nafal, who's well connected on Twitter. He has his own. He's an accomplished founder of Athena Group of companies, which now operates in over 30 countries. This hopefully. I'm not gonna say anything bad against it. I think it's a good idea. We need this. We need Wendy O. She's on Twitter, and she also had her own I believe her own channel on Twitter. Yeah, Twitter on YouTube. I think it's like, she appears with I've seen her on 3T Warrior. I'm sure I have. Yes, I think I have. Might have. Yeah. I think I have. Yes, I have. Then you'll be able to share your project with the world, to do the 24/7 30 markets. No. June 30th marks the production period. All applicants must. Right. So this is gone if you're looking to get involved in it. It's Hollywood production quality, like they said in their intro. Yeah, I think this is great. I want you guys to hear these they're like a minute or so videos.
The definition of money has changed. Crypto has well and truly arrived. The revolution has infiltrated banks, grocery stores, and sports stadiums. Now it's going to transform entertainment. In each episode.
Right, that one there was really played, I think. I'll play him.
Killer Whales is a global platform where people all around the world can join what we're doing in this space, and it's a very inclusive project. And I think the community really needs this. They want entertainment. They want to see founders in this space be able to get a platform where they can really grow and turn into bosses and turn into killer whales themselves.
Okay, right. I might have to play that full one. No, I won't. Hold on a second. That was just a trailer anyway, so let me, that was just the other.
I'm going to be very real. If you have her, you do not have me. You have altcoin, but no daily.
Okay, guys, it's decision time. We need to select the final line of the killer whales. Are you guys ready? I'm going to go first.
Top 5, gentlemen.
This guy's a no-brainer. We need him on the show.
He's going to give us great entertainment.
The thing is, you cannot tell the story of cryptocurrency bull market in 2021 without talking about him. I think the thing that separates this show, Killer Whales, is the realism. People want to tune in and see real conversations evaluating these projects that we look at every day. This guy's real.
All right, so this is someone who, from my perspective, is an absolute must, and we need this diversity on the show. Like, we have to have some strong female voices on here to balance out the men.
She has a ton of lovers. She has a lot of haters. I'm going to be very real. If you have her, you do not have me. You have altcoin, but no daily.
I got an interesting one next. This next guy, to me, the last bull cycle, these guys dominated the space. Every big project they were involved in from a VC perspective.
This guy represents the institutional investors. He's in those board meetings. He knows what that demographic is thinking. I think that's a value add for the show.
I mean, this guy goes full force, really kind of paving the way in the NFT space, I feel.
To me, I feel like we're divided. I'm not sold on him at all.
What's
To
this
me,
guy?
he wouldn't be in my show.
How many NFTs of his do you hold?
0.
That says it all. I want somebody I can learn from. If he has perspective, if I can learn how to better evaluate projects for me or build projects, that's what I want.
We have the biggest influencers, the biggest VCs, biggest entrepreneurs.
So what we got, Paul?
I think we got our lineup.
We're only supposed to have 5, not 10, correct?
Gentlemen, looks like we'll need a bigger boat.
I like it. I'm looking forward to this. I think this is going to be excellent for crypto and mass adoption going forward. Anyway, Digitech Lifestyle out. I just thought I'd bring you that. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.